Well, thanks for joining us this Wednesday evening. We do have a cold front that's making its way through the state. As we speak right now, you can see it already has cooled down some areas of western Oklahoma. Few degrees. You can see over in Guyman, 16 degrees below what we saw 24 hours ago. And the temperatures are also still on the warmer side right now, but I want you to look at the panhandle. That's when that cold front has moved through. It's bringing that cooler air down from the north. That's what we are going to see as we continue throughout the rest of the evening and into the overnight hours. So a lot of people still in the upper 40s right now. It is going to change as we head into the rest of the evening and into the overnight. Here's that cold front that is making its way through Oklahoma as we speak. Some areas of the panhandle into parts of Colorado and western Kansas are already getting in on some wintry precipitation, which is what we could see as we continue throughout the night tonight. Something else we could see is those wind chill values getting in the teens into the earlier parts of tomorrow. So that's definitely something to remember if you're walking to class. We could see temperatures at 19 in Oklahoma City, 17 is what it's going to feel like in Norman. So definitely chilly outside, and that's going to continue into earlier parts of Friday as well, where we could again see wind chill values in the teens. So we're going to stay on the chillier side and then warm right back up into the afternoon on Friday. So it's a quick cold spell, as I like to call it. As we continue over the next few days, here's that chance we're seeing for wintry precipitation. As we continue throughout the rest of tomorrow, you can see this is the earlier hours of tomorrow. There's that chance for some snowfall into parts of western Oklahoma, especially as you go into central Oklahoma. Also the chance there. And something I want to note, this is still an up in the air forecast. It's really hard to forecast these things when models are disagreeing here and there, especially with when and where the snowfall will occur. So here's as we continue throughout the rest of the morning, there's some wintry mix down there in parts of southeastern Oklahoma, and we will clear out by tomorrow. So precipitation types, this could change as we head into the rest of the evening. But as of right now, this is where we're looking for the best chance for wintry mix. North of I-40, pretty much that chance for some snow. And as we head towards the southeastern part of the state, chance for some rain. And we could get some accumulating snow bands in that area of the pink and in the blue as well. So here's that timing that we're looking at for the precipitation. You can see early morning hours for the most part in the western part of the state, and it gets later into the afternoon as we continue into parts of the southeast. So I do want to talk about the change in precipitation type. This is what we could see as we continue throughout the rest of tomorrow. This is what rain looks like. We're cooler in the upper levels and warmer in the lower levels. And as we continue to snow, that's when we're cool throughout all the levels. So we could see freezing rain or sleet here in parts of Norman, but we could even see snow as you head north of I-40, continuing throughout the rest of the next few days. So if you're driving tomorrow morning, definitely something to remember. You want to avoid driving, you want to reduce your speed, and definitely make sure to avoid sudden stops. I know we had a lot of problems with that as we continued throughout Monday morning with a lot of ice and sleet on the roads. But as we continue throughout the next